So, welcome back to part 2 of my AA gun tutorial. In this part I will show you how to code AA gun. First of all, we have to load our two Technic models and remove from model number 1 the gun, barrel and ammunition parts. So we have only the seat and the base left. And now we export them as a turbo model thingy. So I save them to desktop, and we'll do the same for the barrel and gun model, and also save them on the desktop. So now we have two new files on the desktop: the AA gun with the base and the seat, and the second one with the barrel, gun and ammunition model. So I'm lazy, so I use my toolbox this time, and I will use the AA gun file creator. For this, here we have now to paste the base parts inside. Then we have the seat parts, and here we can paste the gun part. Ammunition and a barrel have another structure, so we have to do them manually. So name AA test, the text choice is okay, and create Java. So save to file, and we will save it directly in my MCP folder. And have a look at it. So where's my MCP model folder? AA test, there we go. So this is our model now. So we have to do now some modifications, and we have to do it here inside the seat model. The seat model is a little bit different. We have to manually set the rotation points. So we delete here these 3 zeros, except add this here, and delete this here. And now we move the coordinates from set rotation point at this place. Why? Because if we don't do it, this will cause a big problem with the rotation points. So after this we can delete it. The only part where we leave these 3 zeros in place is this part here. This part has a rotation angle. It's the seat here, and here it will be okay. If we do it here, it will not be okay. It will be really crappy. So we have to do the same for the gun model. Also here we delete our 3 zeros and put the position in here. But here at the rotation point we have now to put the rotation point in. And the rotation point, the point where the gun is rotating around, is now 3, let's have a look, 8 minus 13 minus 3. Here will the gun and barrel model rotating around. So 8 minus 13 and 0. This will be the rotation. 0 because it's the center of the model. So basically now we have the base, we have the seat, and we have the gun model ready. two parts are missing, and these two parts are the barrel and the ammunition model. And as you see here, the structure is a little bit different because we have a multi-dimensional array here, not a normal array like here. We have a multifunctional array because we can build guns with more barrels or more ammunition models. It's like the rotor of the helicopter. The first number, the first bracket, contains the number of the element. So barrel 1, 2, 3 or 4. The second number contains the number of the parts of this barrel. So if we have a look at my flak here, for example, we have one barrel with 15 parts. So here we have number 0, because all arrays start with 0, 0, 0, part number 1 of barrel number 1, 0, 1, part number 2 of barrel number 1, and so on and so on. If we have a look at the flak from Flan, you see here we have 4 barrels and each barrel has one part. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 0, 0, 0. Here we have all 4 parts. So what we have to do next is to add our barrel model. For this I use the code cleaner model, and here we take the barrel model, paste the whole barrel inside here and say clean code and copy to clipboard. And now we can paste it in here, and as you see, barrel number 1, and now we have to adjust it because this is number 1 and we have one part, one barrel with one part, and also we have here to add the 0 and here also the 0. Then we have to delete these 3 fellows here and replace it by this one, and that rotation point can be deleted. The same rules applies now for the ammo model. So ammo model, we paste the stuff in there and have our ammunition model. And here we have the same. We have one model, one part ammunition, and each ammunition part consists out of one single box. So we have also to add here the 0, remove here this stuff and replace the 3 zeros with it, remove the set rotation point as well. And down here we have to add another 0 because this is number 1 of ammunition box 1 of part 1. So basically that's it, but we will see we have down here another setting, barrel X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. Here we have to specify the rotation point. If you have a look here, this is a Flan's model and this is my model. We have the rotation point down here. The rotation point is the same we use at a set rotation point here. So we use here the, where we have it, the 8 minus 13, that has to be minus, and 0. I'm not sure it's normal. And we have this here. So, basically that's it. The model is now finished. Let's see. And run it through MCP. Recompile. Well, you see, no problem. So, what we do next, really simple. We take one of the AA gun files and take the flag feeling, and we will rebuild it to test AA gun. Short name is AA test. The flag ammunition will be remain, also the icon. I will give him a number 30,000. The model will be AA test. Barrels, we have one barrel. Texture, I will use skin gray, which is a standard skin with gray color and 512 pixels in size. Then we will, this is okay for this time, recoil damage and so on and so on. Then we have to add the gunner position down here. The gunner position will be somewhere, let's see, minus 11, minus 6, 0, so the gunner position will be 0. 6 is not good. I will make it a little bit higher, 9 and 11. Now save as. I will move it to my own package. AA guns, AA and test. Save. So, if I run now it through my system. And I start MCP and Minecraft. I hopefully can see now the gun in-game. So, where we place it, let's have a look around. And let's take some ammunition for this gun. So, if I now place it, it seems there is a problem with the barrel. It's down here. I think I have to adjust the up and down value. So quit, and here we have to adjust it to the positive value. Save. Then rerun it. So here we go, our AA gun. If I jump on, okay, the rotation spot is a bit crappy, I have to fix this, but you see it, up, down. So, this is how you build an AA gun. Hope you enjoy the tutorial and have fun with it.